Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.